So this is probably something you haven't seen before. This is a 77 Ford Bronco. They took the whole body off and built it from the ground up from cherry. So cherry is the outside, and the interior is ash and oak wood. And so, like I said, 77. So let's go around here, and they even cut the Bronco emblem out. So of course you have your, wheels, because hard to make wood wheels, make it drive smooth. So relatively clean engine. Of course your battery intake and all your stuff's just right here. And yeah, the grill, all made out of wood, of course. Can't make working lights out of pure wood, so of course lights. You have a 1977 years it was born. The year this car was born. And the bumper's wood. Of course the frame has to be metal, but the emblem is wood. All of this is wood except for lights and stuff. Let's come around here. Got blinkers, of course your rims, and your doors, very small. Interior's very nice. And come back around here. The gas tank has a lock on it, so that's unique. Haven't seen that before. Gas tank, or the gas cap on this one, has more of a modern style cap, or a modern style door, than like in previous videos of the round cap, just a round screwable cap. And this is lockable. Of course, got exhaust, rear bumper, your license plate holder, Ford tow bar, brake lights, and that's about it.
Oh, check this out.
Oh, that's awesome. And yeah, so that's about it for this one. And I'll change my hat here. And so that's about it to wrap up this video.
That's your look there, Gavin.
Yeah, sure. Oh, and we got a bonus for you over here. Modded golf cart to look exactly like this one. So, there you go. And so that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss one of our videos. And look forward to seeing more content at Super Celebration East 2022.